Hello, everybody. This is Saturday morning. It's March 21st. I wanted to welcome everyone back from spring break and into the online classroom that we have. Our online classroom is in Blackboard. That's the electronic tool that the university gives us for learning while we're all in our different places, where we're in different places in the world. We can come together still as one community for the purpose of educating ourselves. Um, so I want to just say a couple general things about learning online, show you some specific tools that we'll be using, um, mainly just to say hello and to say that we care about you very much and we care about your education. That is our mission, to make sure that you move forward with your goals in learning English. So, one thing that I want to say about education in these difficult times, and they are difficult times, is that it makes me think of history and make me think in the United States of, for example, Latino students who had to fight for their right to education in the United States, especially here in Texas, and also African American communities that had to work and struggle so long against prejudice and discrimination and segregation to get the education that they wanted. And I think we're in a situation not exactly the same, but it's similar. We have to work against obstacles and difficulties to get the education that we deserve. So for English, in the intensive English program, for my classes, there are three tools that we're going to be using most of the time, and these are in the Blackboard environment. So the first of those is video lessons. I'll be recording video lessons about grammar, about writing, about your assignments, about some things related to technology. The second tool that we'll be using is discussion boards in Blackboard. And those are to keep you connected with me and connected with each other. It's a way to continue the community that we have in the classroom and doing that by way of text messages to each other. For the first week, and I think I'm willing to do it for the rest of the semester, is I will keep office hours during the same time that we had class. So if your class was from 10 in the morning until 12 noon, I will give you a link to join the classroom at that time, and you can ask me any questions that you want to about the assignments, about your homework, about how to use Blackboards, about English, about grammar, about anything that you would like. So the third tool that we're going to use is assignments and quizzes, and perhaps a final exam that will be given online. And I will be giving you really detailed instructions about how to use all of those things. So the main thing to keep in mind, I think, is being positive, being flexible, and being kind to yourself and to each other. We need to show patience at this time, patience with UTSA, patience to your teachers, and especially patience with yourself as you adjust to learning in a new way, and as I adjust to teaching in a new way. Um, your education will continue. My education will continue. Um, we have, as a world, um, as a world community, we have been working for centuries and hundreds of years to try to bring more equality and more justice to education. Um, and that's a one way of thinking about this challenge around the coronavirus and COVID-19. I forgot to introduce you to my teaching assistant, Emilio. Emilio will be helping me here as we work. He will be reading your papers and sending you lots of kindness and lots of good wishes. Um, I wish you all the best. I will be seeing you in the classroom, so be well.